Today we're going to go ahead and graph y equals equations, and we got a couple equations that we're looking at right here. So first of all, we have y equals 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and locate the y-axis, and notice the y-axis is the axis going up and down. Alright, and it's saying we're going to cross that 4, so we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to be our y equals 4 point right there. Because we got to cross the y-axis, we're going to go side to side. That leads something like that. Okay, next problem we have y equals -2. So back on the y-axis. Okay, and we're going to go down 2. So we got 1 and 2. We're going to create a point, but because we got to cross the y-axis, we're going to go side to side. All right, so our big idea here is cross at the y-axis at the given number, at the given number. All right, the other way you can do these as well is, let's say, we'll go back to y equals 4. You can create a function table. So you have your x and y values, but notice that the y value is always locked in at 4 because it says y equals 4. So all y values will be at 4. And I'll just go ahead and do 3 points. Alright, so the x value, because there's no x at all, you pick whatever you want it to be. You can go -2, you can go -3, and I don't know, let's just make it a positive. Let's do a +5. When you graph these will always land on that line. So you double check and make sure you get it right. So -2 means back 2, so we got 1, 2, but we need to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lands on the line, so we got -2, 4. Okay, so now we got back 3, up 4. So here we go, back 3, 1, 2, 3, up +4. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. That point lands right there, so that's going to be -3 and 4. Then we have 5 and 4 over to the right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lands right there, so we got 5 and 4. Alright, the other way too is you can check your blue line. So we got a x and y function table for our lovely blue line here. So y value again is locked in at -2. You may not change that. -2, -2, -2. And our x value, because they're not giving you an x, is whatever you want it to be. You can go 5, 6, and of course throw in a negative number. Let's go -2. All right, x, we go over to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 2, lands right there. 6, over to the right 6, down -2, 1, 2, that's down right there. So I'm going to label these as I go. So I got 5, -2, and this point here is 6, comma, -2. And -2 is back 2, 1, 2, down 2, 1, 2 is going to be right there. Alright, so this concludes the examples for the red and our blue equations. The orange, green, and the black equations here are for you to do. Then check back with the teacher and see how you did.